welcome back to Love's World. Today I'm here with my friend Lexus, actually my cousin, and today we are playing with Orbeez and slime. Yeah, so I decided to do this video because it's actually my first video, but because I just got Orbeez and I had this slime, and she's my cousin and she really wanted to do it, so I'm just doing it with her. So first I have to show you my fidget spinner.
It actually lights up. I try to light it up all the time, and it doesn't work though.
I know. This one's the only one that works.
But it's the only one that works. But it looks real. Oh, but it can change though. Okay, let's do the slime.
Oh, hold on. Okay, there. So she's got the slime, and I got some Orbeez.
What happened to all the slime anyway?
Oh, I don't know. It's just a little crispy or something. Crispy.
Ooh. Alright, I got out the slime here. Ooh, yeah.
And I don't want to dump out the Orbeez, so we're just going to keep this.
Yeah.
And so today's video, I forgot to tell you what we're doing for today's video. Today's video is Orbeez versus
slime. So we're going to be doing like what's best.
Yeah, what's the best. So I need to go get, I have a pencil and paper, and we're gonna be writing it down. Let me go get my pencil and paper. I can't even get my paper.
She has a table of stuff like right here. We're on a little table. She has a table of stuff that she's just keeping there, and she has like markers and stuff.
Just in case I need it. Don't worry, people.
Just in case. Oh!
There. I need to fix you guys. There you go.
Sorry.
Oh, there you go, babies. So we have our paper, and
I
now
think we might have to use like a light color.
Pink.
Yeah, that would work.
Okay, so I'm gonna write it down. I'm gonna go
put Orbeez. Oh my.
Orbeez
versus slime.
Slimes versus slimes.
Okay.
So let's start. So first we're gonna start with slime. Okay, so what's a good thing about slime?
There. So, slime, you can actually smush it, squeeze it, stretch it, and also you can poke it.
So slime is entertaining.
Entertaining.
Yeah, it's fun, and you can use it. So it's entertaining. First, good thing.
First, good thing. Entertaining.
Sorry guys, we're kids. We don't have good spelling.
I know. Yes, I knew.
Okay, so now
we're going to be doing Orbeez.
So first good thing about.
Here, let's set Orbeez right here.
Oh yeah, perfect. So I get to do a test one. Here, you can hide.
Oh yeah.
So first good thing about Orbeez. Orbeez are good because whenever you play with them, they're relaxing and cool, and they just really relax you.
Relaxing and cool?
Yeah, relaxing. But I just have to do this. So sorry people out there that love Orbeez. And to smash an Orbeez. Would you like to smash an Orbeez?
Ooh, yes. I love smashing Orbeez.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready? Set.
Smush.
No. No. My Orbeez keeps on falling. I got it. This Orbeez is unbreakable. Got it.
Okay, now we gotta go to the trash. We'll be right back, people.
Hi. All right, just wait. Here she comes. My turn.
Okay, so first good thing, she wrote that down. Now, second good thing about slime.
It is sticky. Not sticky. You can use it as a stress. Like if you get stressed.
Like a fidget spinner or
like I don't know how to say it. Wait.
Stretch ball, fidget spinner. Like you can just squish it and
what is it? They usually say it's something. I don't know what it is. What is it? It's usually something.
Yeah. So if you have like something where you're always stressed all the time, like a fidget, you have a fidget
Like
spinner or a
fidget-
stress ball.
Yeah, a stress ball they could be good because like if you were so mad or like mad, you could. Ugh! Oh, that really hurt. It's slime. It's crazy, crazy slimy. Neon pink slime goop. Ooey gooey fun.
Okay, so fidget. It's a fidget.
It's fidget. Fidget with it.
Okay, now second good
Thing about Orbeez.
Orbeez. I shouldn't have done that, but Orbeez. I'm just cool. So, other good thing about Orbeez is, well, I like how they can come in different colors, shapes, and sizes. So they come with their own personality, I guess.
Come in different kinds comes in different kinds of colors and sizes.
Yeah, I guess that's good. So yeah. Then our third thing about slime after she writes this down.
Different sizes. This is a really bad idea to write with pink. You can't see it at all.
Well, we can kind of see it. Okay, now your thing about slime.
Our very last one, slime. Oh, I don't know about. I don't know actually.
I don't know. Hold on.
There's actually no more.
Wait, I know.
Aha, we got an idea. Think light bulb.
Okay, so what's your idea? Okay.
I have one.
Okay, here's my idea.
You said you had an idea.
Here's my idea. You know how some slime can come with like jewels in it and everything? They're all different and
different kinds.
Yeah.
And then our last thing about Orbeez. And then we will tell you about what our day was, both of us. One will tell her about what we did, and then I'll tell you what I did.
Okay, ready? So, sorry. So, my other thing about Orbeez is I have 800. That's my good thing about Orbeez. Okay, so hopefully you guys liked today's video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell for notifications. And you guys can follow my mom on Instagram. And yeah, so peace out, guys. See you later. Bye.
Peace. Bye.